Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to add Gelato to TikTok Shop. First, you want to be logged into your Gelato and TikTok Shop accounts. From here in Gelato, we will go to View All Integrations. In the integrations, we will go to TikTok Shop. Next, select your region and it will take you to your TikTok Shop Seller Center. From here, we'll be able to add our partner access, add a contact email address and phone number. Then we'll click confirm to install. Here we'll see the information that Gelato will need to sync with TikTok, and then we will click I acknowledge here and then click authorize. From here, we'll click done and it will refresh. And here is our shipping for TikTok Shop. If you already have seller shipping added, then you can click add the checkbox here. If not, you can just switch it through seller shipping. If you don't have seller shipping set up, you can follow these instructions here, or you can view the Printify to TikTok Shop video, and that will take you step by step for how to create it. Then we'll click complete setup. So here now our store is successfully connected to our TikTok Shop. We can now publish our first product. So that is how you add Gelato to TikTok Shop.